It's good to say that we should not misrepresent the reasons for resignation of our chairman. I don't know where you got issue of financial helplessness you are talking about. With respect, we should be very clear as to what has happened. The issue of external auditors being appointed, it has been the routine of our party to appoint external auditors, and it is standard procedure and best practices everywhere. It has nothing to do with resignation of any officer of our party. If you go back, there has not been a year that the party account has not been audited by external auditors. Then on the issue of ministerial nominees, I think it is, opinion is free, heterogeneous in a democratic society. So that should be made very clear. By the Constitution of Nigeria, every state is expected to have a ministerial nominee at least. And for the first time, our president appointed a nominee from the FCT, for which the FCT people were happy. So we have mandatory, we must have a minimum of 37 minister by constitutional provision. So having an additional 10 on it, I think it is prerogative of the executive. Section 5 of the Constitution is clear that the president is vested with executive powers for which he may exercise directly, personally, or through ministers that he has appointed. So that said, anybody is free to make comments as to the size of the ministers and as to the composition of the minister, but that essentially is with the prerogative of the president having regard to Section 5 of the Constitution of Nigeria. And mind you, Section 1, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Nigeria says Nigeria shall be governed in accordance with the Constitution. So the president has not done anything that is outside the confines of the Constitution. Thank you.
Thank you very much, National Secretary. Now, regarding the question about the vacancies within the NWC, as you can imagine, we just came off NEC a few days ago, and the consultations are ongoing at the moment. And I think that in due course, we will be considering the question of filling the remainder of the vacancies on the NWC. With the comments from National Secretary, did we leave out anything? I think we're good, right? Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.